However, we are using the shapes. Explore the more shapes and designs here. Let's take a further shape again. Having a new structure. Take it easily. We are using that design here. Add a new structure here. It's a shape again. Take another design with difference of editing. Here is a new option. Let's make the changes here. We are finding into it. Add a point there. I will choose another shape. So here is a design. Make the paint again. Having a structure to use. Thank you for watching.